Model 68-plate CITROEN Relay L3 2.0 BlueHDi Dropside Euro 6 spares OR repairs body, white, flatbed mileage, 53,963 MOT, the 6th of February 2024 engine, 1997 CCDW10 FUCA transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, non-runner timing belt has snapped, nice easy repair on these 2.0 HDI engines. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Very clean dropside with lightweight aluminium bed features, 1 former keeper, electric windows EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap retail, £11,795. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp